Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn a very important grammar topic, stative verbs. Now, many students make mistakes with stative verbs because they use them in the continuous tense. For example, they say, I am understanding English. She's liking this movie. They are owning a car. But these sentences are not correct. What are stative verbs? In English, there are mainly two types of verbs. Number one, action verbs. These show actions that we can do or see. For example, run, jump, write, play, and work. These are actions. Number two, stative verbs. These do not show an action, they show a state. A state means a thought, a feeling, a sense, possession, or a condition. So, stative verbs describe how someone feels, what someone thinks, or what someone has, not what someone is actively doing. Now look at this sentence. I know the answer. Here, know is not an action. It is a state in the mind. That is why we say, I know the answer, not I am knowing the answer. So, remember this rule. Stative verbs are usually not used in continuous tenses. Let us look at some common mistakes. Incorrect. I am understanding English. Correct. I understand English. Incorrect. We are liking this show. Correct. We like this show. Incorrect. They are having a car. Correct. They have a car. Incorrect. Are you needing help? Correct. Do you need help? In all these examples, the verb describes a state, not an action. So we use the simple form, not the continuous form. Common stative verbs. Let us look at some common stative verbs in groups. Number one, thoughts and opinions. Know, believe, understand, remember, agree, and think. Number two, feelings and emotions. Love, like, dislike, hate, prefer, want, and wish. Number three, senses and perception. See, hear, smell, taste, seem, and appear. Number four, possession. Have, own, belong, and possess. These verbs usually describe a state, so we normally use them in the simple tense. Important point, sometimes stative verbs can be used in the continuous form. Now here is the most important part. Some stative verbs can be used in the continuous tense when their meaning changes. That means the verb stops showing a state and starts showing an action. Let us understand this with examples. Example number one, think. I think this is a good idea. Here, think means opinion. So, it is stative. Wait a minute, I am thinking. Here, thinking means using the mind actively right now. So, this is an action. Example number two, have. I have a bicycle. Here, have means possession. So, it is stative. I am having lunch. Here, having means eating lunch. That is an action. Example number three, see. I see your point. Here, see means understand. So, it is stative. We are seeing Ramesh tomorrow. Here, seeing means meeting someone. That is an action. Example number four, be. He is very kind. This describes his nature. That is a state. He is being rude today. Here, being means behaving in a particular way right now. So, the continuous form is possible. Example number five, taste. This milkshake tastes delicious. This describes its quality. So, it is a state. He is tasting the soup. Here, he is doing the action of tasting. So, the continuous form is correct. Quick practice. Now, let us do a quick practice together. I will say a sentence and we will check whether it is correct or incorrect. Number one, I am owning 2 cars. Incorrect. We should say, I own 2 cars. Why? Because own is a stative verb of possession. Number 2, she needs a holiday. Correct. Why? Because need is a stative verb and here it is used in the simple form. Number 3, he is believing in fairies. Incorrect. We should say he believes in fairies. Why? Because believe is a stative verb. Number 4, they are having a meeting right now. Correct. Why? Because having a meeting is an activity or action. Number 5, I am wanting a new phone. Incorrect. We should say, I want a new phone. Why? Because want is a stative verb. Number 6, she is knowing the answer. Incorrect. We should say, she knows the answer. Why? Because know is a stative verb. Number 7, I am liking this song. Incorrect. We should say, I like this song. Why? Because like is a stative verb. Number 8, they are needing more time. Incorrect. We should say, they need more time. Why? Because need is a stative verb. Number 9, she is having a headache. Correct. Here, having is used in a natural, everyday expression. Number 10, I understand the lesson better now. Correct. We do not say, I am understanding the lesson better now. Because understand is a stative verb. Golden rule. So, students, here is the golden rule. Do not use stative verbs in continuous tenses unless the meaning changes into an action. This is the key point you must remember. I hope this lesson helped you understand stative verbs in a simple and easy way. And in the comments, try to write one sentence with a stative verb. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.